Customer Relationship Management (CRM) is a business strategy that focuses on managing and nurturing customer relationships to drive growth and enhance customer satisfaction. It involves utilizing technology and processes to collect, analyze, and utilize customer data effectively. This video will explore the concept of CRM, its types, objectives, advantages, disadvantages, and the importance it holds for businesses. Concept of CRM. CRM is a strategy that aims to strengthen relationships with customers through personalized interactions, efficient processes, and data-driven insights. By implementing CRM, businesses can streamline their marketing and sales processes, make call centers more efficient, provide better customer service, discover new customers, and increase cross-selling opportunities. Types of CRM. Operational CRM. Operational CRM focuses on automating and improving the operational aspects of customer interactions. It consists of three key components. Salesforce automation. This component of operational CRM streamlines sales processes by automating tasks such as lead management, opportunity tracking, and contact management. It helps sales teams efficiently manage their pipelines, close deals faster, and improve overall sales performance. Marketing automation. Marketing automation within CRM enables businesses to automate various marketing activities, including email marketing, lead nurturing, campaign management, and customer segmentation. By automating repetitive marketing tasks, companies can save time, deliver personalized messages, and effectively target their audience, resulting in higher conversion rates and improved marketing ROI. Service automation. Service automation focuses on enhancing customer service processes. It includes functionalities like ticket management, self-service portals, and knowledge bases, enabling customers to find answers to their queries independently and providing support agents with the tools they need to deliver efficient and effective service. Service automation in CRM ensures timely issue resolution, boosts customer satisfaction, and reduces support costs. Analytical CRM. Analytical CRM involves analyzing customer data to gain valuable insights and drive strategic decision-making. The three main components of analytical CRM are sales data analysis. By analyzing sales data, businesses can identify sales trends, understand customer buying behavior, and forecast future sales. Sales data analysis helps companies optimize their sales strategies, identify high-value customers, and allocate resources effectively to maximize revenue. Marketing data analysis. Analyzing marketing data provides insights into the success of marketing campaigns, customer engagement, and return on investment (ROI). It helps businesses identify the most effective marketing channels, understand customer preferences, and refine marketing strategies to generate higher conversion rates and attract qualified leads. Financial data analysis. Financial data analysis within CRM enables businesses to evaluate customer profitability, track revenue, and optimize pricing strategies. By analyzing financial data, companies can identify their most profitable customer segments, assess the lifetime value of customers, and make informed decisions to increase profitability. Collaborative CRM, Strategic CRM. Collaborative CRM, also known as Strategic CRM, focuses on facilitating collaboration and information sharing among different departments within a company. It includes the following components. Interaction management. Interaction management involves capturing and sharing customer interactions across various touchpoints, including phone calls, emails, social media, and in-person interactions. By centralizing customer interactions in a CRM system, businesses can ensure a consistent and seamless customer experience regardless of the communication channel used. It enables customer service representatives and other employees to have a complete view of customer interactions, history, and preferences, allowing for more personalized and informed customer interactions. Channel management. Channel management in CRM involves integrating multiple communication channels and touchpoints to enable effective customer engagement. It ensures that customers can interact with a business through their preferred channels and receive consistent messaging and support across all channels. Channel management allows businesses to deliver a unified customer experience, improve customer satisfaction, and build stronger relationships by meeting customers where they are most comfortable. Objectives of CRM. Simplify marketing and sales processes. One of the primary objectives of CRM is to streamline marketing and sales processes. By implementing CRM systems and automating tasks, businesses can eliminate manual and repetitive work, improve efficiency, and provide a seamless customer journey from lead generation to conversion. Make call centers more efficient. CRM aims to enhance call center operations by providing agents with access to comprehensive customer data and historical interactions. This enables agents to address customer inquiries more effectively, provide personalized support, and resolve issues faster, resulting in improved customer satisfaction and reduced call handling times. Provide better customer service. CRM helps businesses deliver better customer service by centralizing customer data and providing a holistic view of customer interactions, preferences, and purchase history. This empowers customer service representatives to provide personalized and timely assistance, resolve issues proactively, and create positive customer experiences. Discover new customers and increase customer revenue. CRM enables businesses to identify potential leads, analyze customer behavior and preferences, and develop targeted marketing strategies to attract new customers. By leveraging customer data, businesses can optimize their sales efforts, increase customer acquisition rates, and generate additional revenue streams. Cross-sell products more effectively. CRM systems provide insights into customer purchase history, preferences, and needs, allowing businesses to identify cross-selling opportunities. By leveraging these insights, companies can recommend relevant products or services to existing customers, increase the average transaction value, and foster customer loyalty. Advantages of CRM: better knowledge of customers. CRM helps businesses gain a deeper understanding of their customers by consolidating and analyzing customer data. This knowledge enables companies to deliver personalized experiences, anticipate customer needs, and tailor their products or services accordingly. Retain more customers. By leveraging customer data and providing exceptional customer experiences, businesses can build stronger relationships with their customers. CRM enables companies to proactively address customer concerns, provide personalized support, and create loyalty programs that foster customer retention. Better segmentation. CRM enables effective customer segmentation, allowing businesses to target specific customer groups with personalized marketing campaigns. By tailoring messages and offers to different customer segments, companies can increase engagement, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction. Minimizes costs. CRM automation reduces manual and repetitive tasks, saving time and resources. By streamlining processes, companies can eliminate inefficiencies, reduce operational costs, and optimize resource allocation. Enhance corporate image. Providing excellent customer service and personalized experiences through CRM systems can significantly enhance a company's corporate image. Positive customer experiences lead to satisfied customers who are more likely to become brand advocates and contribute to positive word-of-mouth marketing. Increase business growth. CRM systems enable businesses to identify new opportunities, improve customer acquisition and retention rates, and make data-driven decisions. By optimizing marketing and sales efforts, businesses can drive revenue growth, expand market share, and achieve sustainable business growth. Control customer defection rate. CRM empowers businesses to proactively engage with customers, address their concerns, and provide timely support. By nurturing customer relationships and ensuring customer satisfaction, companies can minimize customer churn and control customer defection rates. Disadvantages of CRM: costly. Implementing a CRM system can be a significant investment, including the cost of software licenses, infrastructure, customization, training, and ongoing maintenance. Small businesses with limited budgets may find CRM implementation challenging. Training. CRM systems require training for employees to effectively utilize the software and its features. Training employees on how to use CRM tools and understand customer data can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Eliminates human element. CRM automation may reduce personal interactions between customers and businesses. Some customers prefer human interactions and may feel disconnected if the human element is eliminated entirely. Third-party access. CRM systems store sensitive customer data, and any third-party access to this data must be managed securely. Ensuring data privacy and protection is essential to maintain customer trust. Technical support. CRM systems can encounter technical issues or require updates. Businesses need reliable technical support to address these challenges promptly and minimize disruptions to their operations. Record loss. In the event of a CRM system failure or data corruption, there is a risk of losing valuable customer data. Implementing proper data backup and disaster recovery measures is crucial to mitigate this risk. Importance of CRM. Building strong customer relationships. CRM allows businesses to develop personalized interactions, tailored products, and exceptional customer service. By understanding customer needs, preferences, and behaviors, companies can build trust, loyalty, and long-lasting customer relationships. Data-driven decision-making. CRM provides businesses with valuable customer insights through data analysis. By making informed decisions based on customer data, companies can allocate resources effectively, identify growth opportunities, and optimize their strategies for better results. Efficiency and productivity. CRM automation streamlines processes, eliminates manual tasks, and reduces human errors. This increases efficiency, saves time, and enables employees to focus on more strategic activities, resulting in improved productivity and business performance. Customer satisfaction. By centralizing customer data and providing a holistic view of customer interactions, CRM helps businesses deliver personalized and timely customer service. This leads to higher customer satisfaction as customers feel valued and understood. Effective marketing and sales. CRM enables businesses to target the right audience with personalized marketing messages. By understanding customer preferences and behaviors, companies can create targeted marketing campaigns, resulting in higher conversion rates and improved sales effectiveness. Business growth and profitability. CRM plays a crucial role in driving business growth and profitability. By retaining existing customers, attracting new ones, and maximizing cross-selling opportunities, businesses can increase revenue, expand market share, and achieve long-term profitability. Competitive advantage. Implementing CRM gives businesses a competitive edge. By leveraging customer data and delivering exceptional customer experiences, companies can differentiate themselves from competitors, attract new customers, and build a loyal customer base. Conclusion: CRM is a powerful business strategy that helps companies build strong customer relationships, make data-driven decisions, improve efficiency, and drive growth. While CRM implementation may come with challenges and costs, the advantages and importance of CRM in today's competitive landscape cannot be ignored. Embracing CRM empowers businesses to understand their customers better, deliver personalized experiences, and achieve long-term success. By leveraging the benefits of CRM, companies can nurture customer loyalty, drive profitability, and gain a significant competitive advantage. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive exploration of customer relationship management (CRM). If you found this video informative and valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this knowledge. And if you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on various business topics. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.